Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to create a diamond pattern with 4 berry knots in the middle. Let's get started. Tie one double half hitch knot with the 2 middle cords. Using the middle cord as your filler cord, tie 4 more double half hitch knots moving down and to the right. Repeat this process on the left side of your work. Using the 4 center cords, tie 6 half square knots. Pull the 2 middle cords through the center at the top and then tie 1 more square knot, or 2 half square knots. You have made 1 berry knot. Repeat this process on the left and right sides of your work and then one more time at the bottom of your work. Use the same filler cord as you did to create the top half of the diamond and tie 4 diagonal double half hitch knots on both sides of your work until you reach the middle. Tie one more double half hitch knot with your 2 filler cords to connect the diamond. Thanks so much for watching. I love to see your work, so please feel free to tag me on Instagram if you've used one of my tutorials. If you like this video, please hit the thumbs up below, and if you have any feedback, please feel free to leave a comment. Don't forget to subscribe for weekly video tutorials.